Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you with a bit of a little fill-up haul here. Not fill-up, not the name, like fill-up. Usually I wouldn't film this all on its own. I would wait until I found more stuff, but I really do need to get it out of my car because my car is small and I just can't have this hanging around for that long while I wait to get more stuff. And I know tomorrow I won't really be able to do any dumpster diving. So, generally I'll be doing a little bit, but not really any. I got this stuff, so we're going to go through it. We're going to do a bit of a mystery bag. I can see things in this bag, but I haven't gone through it. Same with this box. I've seen most of it, but I haven't gone through it. We're going to start right here first, but before we do that, well, let me tell you a quick story. So today, it's Tuesday. I'll probably post this on Wednesday, but it's Tuesday at about 11 o'clock p.m. As I was on my way home from work today, it was about 9:45 is when I stopped by this dumpster. And so the dumpster, it's the one it's a pharmacy. It's behind gates, but the dumpster is still visible from the door. So I had opened the gate. I had seen that there was stuff in the dumpster. So as I was starting to pull it out, the back door of the store opens. And I just about had a heart attack. I don't know. I just hate confrontation with anybody in my life, let alone random strangers that I'm taking stuff out of their dumpster from. I panicked. So I had this box hanging out of the dumpster. I just quickly and quietly put it back in. And I did something stupid. I crawled to the back of the dumpster. Like I hid. And this person didn't even come to throw anything out. They were just on their little phone break. They weren't smoking. They were just standing out there on their phone. I'm assuming they were working a late shift or whatever. But I could see them through the gates of the cracks of the gate. They couldn't see me, obviously. I was sitting back there. I'm like, this is the stupidest thing I could have done. Like, if they were to come to the dumpster and they got spooked by me, I for sure would have been shot or something. And as I was sitting there behind the dumpster, realizing what an idiot I looked like, I'm sure. Oh my gosh, it was just so silly. I thought, why didn't I just sneak out the gate? But it was right there. She for sure would have said something to me, and I hate confrontation, like I said. I don't want to be caught ever. So I just sat there for a few minutes, and eventually she went back inside, and I grabbed my stuff, but I was so spooked. I left a bunch of stuff in there. I will be heading that way in the morning again before I head to work, so I will stop by to see if it's still there, if somebody else has taken it. And if somebody else took it, that's fine. At least it's being saved. So that is that story. Oh man, my heart was beating so hard, but that's silly. And then I went by the dollar store as well. I actually came home first, and then I was like, do I want to go back out? Do I want to do anything? So I just went to a few local stops to me, and I went to the dollar store, and there were people there already, and they were not hauling, but they were taking tons of stuff out, and I was like, man, if I would have just went for it, I wouldn't have missed out on this haul that they're getting. But that's okay, too. You win some, you lose some. At least it's being saved. So, starting here, this is actually what I am so excited about. These obviously came from the grocery store. I got these on Monday. They've been in my car since then, so obviously I need to take them out and cut them. But these are 7 pineapples, and these are gorgeous. Nothing wrong with them. Like, some of them aren't even ripe yet. Look at how green this is. This one is the most ripe. So I'll be cutting this one up first, but still, it's firm. They're all firm. There was one in here that was very squishy, so I just threw that one right back in. I didn't end up even taking that one. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like I said, fabulous pineapples. Pineapples are so delicious when they're sweet and juicy, so I'm really excited about this. And I'm having a little brunch this weekend just for our immediate families. So I think I'll cut some of these up for that as well. I might film that for you guys. Not the actual brunch, but like preparing some of the food. So keep an eye out for that. Give me just a second. I'm going to put these aside and then we'll go through these together. Alright, we'll start right here. This is just a little case of these Teddy Graham Go packs. Honey flavored. These were thrown out because their date is September 22nd, which was 2 days ago. So It's not like they automatically went bad overnight. These will be just fine. I will probably donate those. I might keep one if I can't pass up temptation. So, you know, Teddy Grahams aren't too bad for you. Sometimes I do crave graham crackers. I haven't found graham crackers in a while, so this might fulfill my void. All right, this little box, not too much in here. I did see these, and I think they're kind of cute. They're little Pop-Tarts Frosted Bites, strawberry. What is that? February 11th, 2000? Is that what that date means? I sure hope not. No, that's probably another one I'd have to like call on or put the code in online. But like I said, they're just little mini Pop-Tart bites. That's their actual size. Here it is compared to my thumb. Adorable. You guys know anything small, I'm all for it. I just think they're cute. Okay, and then to make up for all the ones that got ripped open in the bag I found the other day, I have 2 packs of Gardettos. These are October 2019. So these, well, that one's May. So that one's past its date. I'll eat that one first. These I will be keeping. Like I said, Gardettos are my weakness. Nothing better. Okay, I have 1 bag of small black pepper and sea salt popcorn. Let's count how many of these we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, just 7. I have 7 of these Yorkshire teas. Let's have a proper brew. Enjoy hot or iced. There's the instructions. I'm just going to read that really quick. 2 cups boiling water. Interesting. Let's find a date. August 2020. Look at that. Whole year away. I could give these out for Halloween if I wanted. Just kidding. I'm not going to do that. That would be... Kids would be upset with me, I'm sure. Okay, so I have 7 of those. I think I'll give a few of those to my mom. She is more into tea than I am, but I do like a good tea now and then. Okay, this is black. I'm assuming that's how they want that to be pronounced. Enjoy the dark side. I don't know if you guys can read that. I can barely read that. It's black writing on this black bottle. Alkaline pH 8.0 plus water beverage. I wonder if it's actually black. I think it might be. I don't know if I would drink that. Purified water and trace minerals. That is a little iffy to me. Expiration is 4/20/21, so that is fine, but I don't know. I guess I'll give it to my sister and see if she would go for it. I have another thing of popcorn, a bag of Terra root chips, and then 2, oh, these are so cute. Okay, first I have 1 big thing of seltzer water, which I don't like, but my family does. And these are adorable. These are Polar brand Mermaid Songs calorie-free seltzer junior. Like I said, anything small, I am all for it. I think they're adorable. January 2020. Maybe I'll put these in. Oh no, I'm already giving away water bottles. But this is adorable. Is it flavored? Mermaid Songs isn't really a flavor to me. Do you guys know what that means? Sorry for this boring video here. I'm kind of taking a while. Okay, we'll speed it up now. So that's that box. Some cute things in there. And some good finds, like with the teas and such. What was that? Oh, that was my can. I honestly thought that was a train. I don't even know if you guys heard that. Okay, load that box back up. And then we will get to the bag. We'll go a little faster here. Alright, that is cut. I don't know if that was on purpose. I don't know. Hopefully that's not a reflection of the whole bag. Okay, these ones are not cut. So I have 1 thing right here of cheese balls. A thing of sweet potato chips. These all have expiration dates of September. I did know that some well, not some, there's quite a bit of oatmeal that spilled out into here. Okay, some Dunkin' Donuts coffee thins, original blend. This is chocolate with coffee in it, I'm assuming. Alright, some more coffee thins. I do not like the taste of coffee. I'll see if my sister wants those. So this is some of the oatmeal. This one wasn't spilled out. Let's see, best before August 22nd, 2020. So I'm assuming this wasn't done purposefully, since they're so far still before they are expired. But a lot of the lids had been pushed inward, and that's why it spilled everywhere. I chucked some of them back in the dumpster, but it looks like the packaging just was done kind of poorly. Right here is some sea salt multigrain tortilla chips. I love tortilla chips, so I'll probably keep those. Some Great Grains cranberry almond flakes and clusters. If this is what I hear about on the radio all the time, then these have onyx sorghum in them. I don't know if that's the one, but there's a radio commercial that they play all the time about cereal with onyx sorghum. Okay, pack of mini Oreos. I'm really checking these just to make sure that they aren't cut open like this one. A little thing of Annie's Organic Snack Mix. One of these came, oh no, well maybe, one of these came out. It is Maxi Pads with wings. Those will be donated. I have another thing of cheese balls. 2 of these Danish butter cookies. Some more taro root chips. That's empty. Another bag of coffee thins. Another thing of oatmeal. I tried to keep the ones that were better. This one's pretty good looking. There's that. Quaker Oats. Some more pads. These are Kotex Security Ultra Thin. This is actually the one that came out. So those are perfect. A tiny, tiny thing of Chips Ahoy. Oh, there's another Teddy Graham. And there's the last Teddy Graham right there. I think we have one more Chips Ahoy. These Juju fruits are all over the place. And that is open. Let's make sure this one's not. No. Okay, so here's the overview. Let me put it together really quickly. Sorry it took so long, and I will show you that in just a second. And here it is all laid out. So I'll do a quick run through. I've already told you everything already. No surprises here. Left the seltzer in the box plus a few of the teas. All of this, I would still have to say those 7 pineapples are the best find for sure this day. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. You have one more day to enter my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, so be sure to check out that video. You have to comment on that video. You have until Thursday. I'll just do the whole day Thursday, so I'll announce the winner on Friday, and we'll go from there. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with some more dumpster diving related videos to share with you guys. Thank you.